You asked, how to divide 5840 by 5 using the long division method. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Bring down 4, making 34. 34 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 34 minus 30 equals 4. Bring down 0, making 40. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 minus 40 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1168.